foundation restoration. This is something that you really don't see in Ottawa. For most people, parging is simply scraping a little bit of the bad stuff off, mix a little bit of mortar in a bucket, and they parge. You never see anybody doing the quite extensive demolition as this is. You can see that the concrete is blue. Well, the concrete isn't blue for any reason. It's a primer coat. Now, when I go down, I'm focusing, as you can see, on these metal bars. These metal bars are drilled into the foundation to go ahead and hold this wire mesh. Most people will simply get a very simple, cheap lathing, apply it to your foundation with screws. The screws will pop out. When you're talking about putting metal posts into your foundation with an epoxy, then with a welder you attach your mesh to the post. It cannot come off. When you allow a contractor to do his job properly, most homeowners would not have any problem. Unfortunately, I wouldn't say most, but many do not want to invest. And when you think about it, your foundation and your chimney are your most important features of the house. Your foundation supports your home, and your chimneys allow the gases to come out. You cannot skimp on these types of restoration. This is not just a light parging method. As you can see, it's very extensive.